Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Phakela umthakathi wanda nani zizwe zama-Afrika lilonke nje bafowethu ngicela nimamele nasi indaba la. Bathi le moto le yayi-Toyota akuseyi-Toyota manje, noma ngithi i-Isuzu le akuseyi-Isuzu manje, sokuyi-automatic, umshini ozitshintshayo. Okay bafowethu, ngicela ukuthi nimamele la zizwe zonke nina ngokudabunga ngezindawo lapha elisuka khona. Okay, sesibuyile la njengabaphenyi njengama-Hawks, okuyikuthi cha bafowethu khona esiniphathele khona, sifuna ukuthi siveze amaqiniso la, siveze impela amahlazo la ayenzekayo la bafowethu e-Afrika. Lento kahle kahle ngisho ngithi umbedo. Phakela umthakathi, wena lo waqala wathi wena ekuqaleni ake ngidlule ngoba likulezi zinto odlulekizo, ngasho ngathi wena unenzondo nalabantu laba bangapha esizweni sikaMzilikazi kaMashobane ngapha eZimbabwe, ngoba ngasho ngathi mina kuzo zonke izinto ozikhulumayo ozishoyo uthinta igama lamaZimbabwe. Okay, ake ngidlule lapho ke ngabavezela abantu iqiniso, cishe abantu abaningi bayibona le ndaba, kodwa manje ngilapha la engikhona bafowethu. Lo wakonongoma lo uphakela waqala wathi yena ama-Pakistan awashaya ama-donation, edonate imali ezohamba ewalungisela amaphepha ukuthi adayise kuleli laphayana ePitoli, yabona. Bangakwenza lokho, wahluleka ngoba wayefuna just I give you a 5 million just for food, yabona. Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle i-scam lesi bafowethu, kusho ukuthi uyifunela imali. Lo muntu wathi ama-Pakistan awashaya imali uzohamba eyalungisela amaphepha. Umbuzo wami uthi okay, umuntu onengqondo, cela ngizwe kahle, limamele kahle bafowethu, lingajahi njengomntwana bafowethu wasendlungulu, ngicela limamele. Umlungisela kanjani umuntu amaphepha ukuthi adayise kuleli ebe engelawo amaphepha okungena kuleli? Hayi bafana bakithi, liyo shuthi ngatsho, ukuthi ngatsho ulungisela umuntu amaphepha okudayisa, kodwa ebe engekho amaphepha ukuthi angene akhombisa ukuthi wangena kanjani kulelo lizwe lelo omlungisela khona. Ngoba lani bafowethu liziphukuphuku, ezinye izinto aliziboni. Okay, ngiyadlula ke lapho. Okay, ake mbuye number 2. Ngasho ngale ndaba yenzondo yalaba ukuthi imashini manje yaqala kuphi. Number 3, ngidlule fast le ngoba ngayichaza, ngifuna uvezela bafowethu amaqiniso. Number 3, lo ngoba bezithi bona bazinsizwa bayenza lezi zinto abazenzayo, lo naye lo wasenkandla lo ngizwe nophakela umthakathi, washaywa intombazana lapha yase-KZN ngempama phambi kwamaphoyisa, phambi kwabo labo phakela umthakathi ngempama, yashaywa ngempama, behamba la yavela kumakhamera. Kusho ukuthi nabo labo Khinzoso labo, yabona, bahluleka ukuthi bedelete leyana, bahluleka ukuthi lento ngoba siyazi ukuthi ezinye izinto bafowethu liyalokhuja lapha, bathi kwenzani lokho, yabo, liyafoja ukuthi ezinye izinto lizicisha. Angazi ahlulwa yini lapha, bavele waphahluka uKhinzoso lo, yaphuchuka lapha. Okay, kunjalo lahlulwa yini ukuthi lishaye leli ndiya leli? bahlulwa yini ophakela umthakathi ukuthi beshayele leyandiya njengalokho abakwenza ebantwini bakubo uma bethi bona ayihlale phansi ibamba umthetho. Bebashaya laphana ngomsila kakiti, yabo, imvubu le. Bebashaya. Hayi, ingeni layi. Okay, ngiyahlula ke lapho. Bahlulwa yini ukushaya indiya leli? Amaphoyisa ahlulwa yini ukuthi ebophila indiya leli ngoba lashaya umuntu phambi kwalo bebuka. Amaphoyisa lawo ngabantu abamnyama, ophakela ngabantu abamnyama, babhizi nokushaya nabantu abamnyama, abanye abafana nabo, yabona. Abanye abafana nabo lapho, izinja lezi, yabona. Bahlulwa umlungu lo muntu omhlophe ngoba bembona ephethe isibhamu, wayephethe isibhamu esemthethweni lapha. Yabona, awuthi asiwazi lokho. Siyakwazi lokho ukuthi wayephethe isibhamu esemthethweni. Lamsabana umuntu omhlophe lo wayeshaya umuntu onsundu, libe likhona le. Libe likhona nazinja le. Yabona. Kusho mina, andesami ngizokutshela amaqiniso. Umbuzo wami lapho ngifuna limphendule. Ngiyadlula ke lapho. Namanje akavulelwanga icala lo muntu lo. Wavulelwa icala, sitshelele. Yabona, sitshelele. Yabona, busy lapha ngale case lena oyikuthi machichuse phambili ekafele emntwini Gumede. Yabona, busy ngaleyo nto le. Intombazane yashaya ngempama libe likhona ngoba lesa. Yabona, ngoba lona niyamlwela ngoba phela ulungele leli lifuna uskema ngazo imali le. Yabona, ngiyadlula ke lapho ngani zakwethu. Ngiyadlula lapho yina bendlovela amandla. Ngiza la number 4, ngiyaphela ke lapho bafowethu. Number 4, ngilala engikhona. Number 4, ungizwe kahle. Ama-Nigeria le Nigeria ashaya abantu bokufika khona le Nigeria kulelo zwe lelo abangabadabuka eSouth Africa. Okay, umbuzo wami uthi uphakela sethena umhla ka-30 June ukude. Ukusuka manje ama-Nigeria la anihleki kugumala ithumu. Thi ama-Nigeria kusuka manje avale zonke iy'tolo lezi, yabo, avale zonke iy'tolo lezi. Yazi liyahluleka bafowethu, liyahluleka yazi ukwenza iskemu liyahluleka, yabona. Wayengcono Xolani lo, yabona, ngoba ebalanda straight ama-Nigeria la, yabona. Okay, yabona, ngithi ukusuka manje ama-Nigeria avala iy'tolo ngoba shaya abantu bakini le ayenzana ama-Shoprite akhona le ngaphandle. Ngithi mina alisho ngani ukuthi lina ukusuka manje azikhali, thathani nina manje induku zenu namahawu la landa ama-Nigeria le emafletini, emasabhabhi, ema-estate, liyolwa nama-Nigeria ngoba shaya abantu bakini le. Manje nithi avala until i-30 June. Nifuna ukwenzani nge-30 June? Yini le lifuna ukuyenza? Yini elifuna ukuyenza? Alandeni ama-Nigeria, niyazi ukuthi yona ashaya abantu bakini le eNigeria. Ashaye nawo la before i-30 June. Sibona kuye nge-30 June ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ashayeni khona manje. Ashayeni manje ama-Nigeria la. Nizinja kabi lini. Khona abantu enibesabayo la. Yabona, niyawesaba ama-Nigeria la. Ama-Pakistan niyawesaba la. Yabona, amandiya neyesaba, abelungu nebesaba. Yesaba umuntu onebala elimhlophe. Umuntu nje elimrespectayo la eAfrika onebala elimnyama umNigeria nje kuphela. Yabona, sengikhulumile nje bafowethu. Yekeni lento ngomhla ka-30 June lo umsangano. Yekeni lento leyo.
This man is calling out Uphakela Mthakathi on him basically contradicting himself, because Uphakela Mthakathi, guys, have been changing his statements from the beginning. Like, I actually saw a video of this other man compiling all his clips, and guys, I was shocked and surprised at the same time. What is he standing on? Because today he's here, tomorrow he's there. Like, it's a lot. And he was basically asking Uphakela Mthakathi Nongiswa to say, what are you still waiting for? What are you still waiting for? Which I do get the question. Like, you really don't have to wait up until the date. What is it with this date? Yes. Because right now, as we speak, guys, there are places whereby these Paza shops are empty. they don't have people anymore because these, well, my friend have left already, seeing the danger that comes with you owning a spaza shop without being a South African. They have left the shops. So why are you not just renting out? I've been seeing South Africans also saying, we are waiting for the 30, and then after that, I will then rent out my own spaza shop. No, you don't have to wait to see. You don't have to wait, my brother. Like, you can actually rent out the shop right now. In fact, it's way much better if you start today. Just stand up and start. Just start. People think that these businesses that these foreigners are running, it's way easy. It's really not easy to run a business, guys. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of patience. It's a lot, guys. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section about this video. What do you think?